Yes, thank you again for giving us this time to talk to you.
My pleasure.
Can you please present yourself to our public? What's your name and what's your company?
Absolutely. Thank you, Miracle. My name is Michelle Meghie, and I'm VP Operations and Partnerships for Smile Genius Dental. It is an innovative company in which we've developed the world's first all-in-one app, in which we've put together all the different apps that dentists and labs and clinic use. We put it in one app, so therefore it's totally accessible with all aspects that you would need to have your dental lab or clinic most effective in its workflow.
You are here at this forum. Has it been beneficial for you up to now?
Absolutely. There's a lot of wonderful connections that I was able to meet, and look forward to continue the conversations with them. Trade in Ethiopia, and in other African countries are just so important to ensure that the world is the world is connecting with our innovation. The world is connecting with the products and services that we have in order to ensure that we can be on the world stage for trade. In having the opportunity to talk about the mining sector, the health sector, which I'm a part of, and all the other sectors and women in trade, is a super, super exciting and so much great information that has been shared today that definitely it was a well-valued opportunity to be here.
Coming back to the app, so you are here because you want to introduce the app in Ethiopia only, or you want to introduce this app to as many countries as you can?
As many countries. Right now, this app is fully operational across the UK. So in Ireland, which with the companies established in Ireland and now launched in Canada, but it's also been launched in the Caribbean as well, in Jamaica. It's been launched in the UK, in Nigeria, Israel. So basically, we're bringing our innovation to stabilize the workflow or to make the workflow for dentist labs, clinics, and dentists effective. For dentists, it would be less chair time. So you spend less time because an aspect of the app is that you can do video calling, right? Okay. It does the scheduling, it does the payment. So in the past, currently, many dentists are using 5 different apps for their payments, for their scheduling, for their treatment, and there's more times that the patients is that they're either by chairside, that's happening. This particular app now, you can now do your video calling with your patients, so they don't have to be in the communication between the clinic and the labs is more effective. So it's about time efficiency, increasing profitability, increasing revenue, and of course, it's just an effective app that you will absolutely love once you're able to use and get the hang of it. You can use the app anywhere in the world, right? And it's about connecting the world, right? And one of the brilliant things about Smile Genius, our dental app, is that it's also white labeled. So to continue your branding, so you don't have to ever use Smile Genius on your lap. Like, let's say your company is Hey J Labs, right? You can have your own app with your own labeling on it because it's white labeled. So it's not just restricted just for one area or for our own company's name, but also to make it yours.
Oh, thank you.